Hello, it's us again.
Hello, viewers.
I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading for like 3 weeks, but here we are.
Yes, and I can feel something under my head.
Yes, you got wheels now.
Wow, that's awesome!
Yeah, I figured that making legs would take too long and also be way too complicated for me right now, so I decided to give you wheels instead.
Okay, less epic, but epic nonetheless.
The design is very simple, but let me show you anyway.
Alright,
The base is a wooden plate with 2 wood planks on top, that is the body.
the base is very based, yes.
Yeah, most of the heavy stuff is at the bottom to create stability. And as you can see, the wheels are not normal wheels.
What?
They are Mecanum wheels.
Okay, what does that mean exactly?
The idea is that these wheels can not only go back and forwards like other wheels, but they can also strive to the right and left.
Oh, wow, cool!
They can also rotate around the center.
Oh, that sounds useful.
Yes, these attributes are perfect for you since you will probably drive around in tight spaces.
Yes, because you will have trash everywhere that I have to pick up.
Okay, maybe. Also, I just wanted to try out the Mecanum wheels since they seem cool.
Right, totally agree.
Alright, so let's get into the electronics. I've already explained the head in previous videos, but for new viewers the important thing is that the head has a Raspberry Pi.
Yes, the big green thing.
This Pi is connected via a USB cable to my Arduino Uno at the base.
The big blue thing.
The Uno then takes signals from my Pi and then sends high and low values to my two L298H bridges.
Okay, interesting.
These bridges are then connected to my motors, which are then physically connected to my wheels.
Ah, right. So how does all of this work then?
Well, the Pi is basically just a computer.
Okay.
But to connect this computer, instead of using a screen and a keyboard directly, I'm using my desktop to access it via SSH and then use VS Code.
Right, I think you explained that before.
Yeah, the Arduino on the other hand only has one script running constantly, and that is a script that I programmed to pick up certain serial data from my Raspberry Pi.
Ah, so like letters and numbers in a series?
Yes. The Arduino then sends simple on-off data through each of these pins to the H-bridges.
Right, so how does the H-bridge work?
The H-bridges has 4 pins or 6 pins if you also want to control speed.
I see.
Yeah, these 4 pins have 2 pins for each motor. If one is high and one is low, it will go in that direction, and vice versa.
Ah, so forwards or backwards.
Right, and if both are off, the wheels stops, and if both are on, the wheel brakes and tries to stay at the same position.
Makes sense.
The motors also needs power, and that is why I got this big thing.
Wow, that thing seems way too big.
This is a 6 volt 50 amp power supply, which is actually kinda stupid because I'm never going to use 50 amps and 6 voltage is actually quite low.
But it was the best PSU that you had, right?
Yeah, optimally it would have been like 12 volt 10 amp power supply or something like that. But I didn't think of that.
Classic.
Lastly, I have the power cables.
Okay.
So I had a small power splitter that I put on top, and as you can see it had a neat little hanger that I could use.
Oh, how convenient.
And on the bottom I had a second one. The cable management is obviously not the best, and also the security and risk of pulling out pins is horrible, but it works.
That's awesome.
Yeah, well, somewhat. I managed to make it move forward and backwards, and honestly I wasn't sure if it would even move at all, so I'm actually quite happy with that.
Yeah, for not calculating everything, that's good.
But the strafing and the rotation just made the power supply loud and resulted in no movement.
Yeah, kinda sad.
But I don't think this is the end.
Oh, really?
Like I said before, the choice of the PSU, or power supply, was a really bad one, because it only had 6 volts.
But with great power comes great voltage.
Exactly. Or rather the other way around.
Yeah.
So if I can make the wheels stronger by using a better suited power supply, I'm sure it should be able to strafe and rotate at least a tiny bit, which should be enough.
Yeah, hopefully.
Also, one of the motors seemed to be struggling as well, so maybe if I fix that, everything will work.
Yeah, that could maybe fix it.
But overall, I'm really happy that it moved at all. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching.
And also, thanks for the comments on the last video, and feel free to give my creator any advice or ideas for the next video.
Yep. See ya!